Alrighty, ladies and gents, how you guys doing? In this video I am going to be comparing the 13-inch Haswell MacBook Air which were released yesterday at WWDC, and this is a 15-inch Retina. Yes, I know it's no comparison, I'm just doing it for shits and giggles so you guys can see what the difference is, and we're going to do two tests in specific. The first one is going to be doing a disk speed test. Both machines, see which one is kind of faster, and as you can see the Retina loaded up literally a few milliseconds faster. So let's go ahead and press start and see what the speed tests on these are. And the MacBook Air is winning because the MacBook Airs have the new flash storage. They're much faster, as is going to be found in the Mac Pro. So you can see the write speed on the MacBook Air is more than the Retina. So I think this is probably the only test in which this MacBook Air is actually going to win. Let's move on to the next one, Let's move on to the next test, see how well, because that is where the true pro functionality should at least show or pan out. So in this next test, I've got iMovie loaded up on both machines, and I'm going to import two files, same files on each machine, and import them and see what the time difference is. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see which one does it faster. I'm really, and as you can see, the MacBook Pro Retina is much more faster. It's shown about a minute in comparison to the MacBook Air, which is 2 minutes. So here is where the true pro functionality, the pro features, the pro performance is really going to show. So yeah, if you're looking to get a MacBook Air, the new Haswell chipsets to run a whole Hollywood project, then you're probably looking at the wrong machine. And as you can see, the Retina MacBook Pro is now done. It's finished. Well, hey, see that bit of footage there? It's imported. Whereas this is now showing as less than a minute. There we go. It's making its way. But then again, you know, the new MacBook Airs boast a 12-hour battery. So could you really kind of compensate for that? You know, that is, I've got an iMac, so I don't really need something that powerful, hence why I've sold this, and I just wanted kind of a Retina screen, but even though it's not got it, then so be it. I'll just wait out whenever they release or decide to release it, most probably in October. Sad face. And there we go, the MacBook Air is now done. So let's export these files, and as you can see, just to show you, both are the same files. Let's mute the audio so you guys can hear me. And they're both HD projects. There we go. So let's go ahead and put them into the project and export them. Okay, so now that both projects are created, and we're going to export them. 1, 2, 3. Let's see which one is faster, and again the Retina MacBook Pro is most probably going to win here, and the MacBook Air Haswell is showing up as about 15 minutes, whereas this is showing us 8 minutes. Incredible. So there we go, around 7 minutes now, and let's pan over to the MacBook Air Haswell 13-inch baseline model, 15 minutes. So there's a difference of double the time, if that's what you want to say. But this test was really just to show you guys. Some of you have asked me on Twitter in the previous unboxing video, you know, do some tests and, you know, how does this work, how does that work. I'll be doing some gaming tests. Leave me just some suggestions as to which games I should test out. I'll be doing a Photoshop test pretty soon. Do you want to see Photoshop on the MacBook Air? If not, then I won't do it. But if you do want to see it, then I shall upload it. Happy days. Which MacBook Air did you get? Were you hoping that WWDC was going to bring out something new? Maybe a Retina MacBook Air or new MacBook Pros with Haswell processors? Again, it's a shame that MacBook Pros weren't updated I wouldn't mind if there was nothing majorly refreshed, but Haswell chipsets should have done the trick, and considering they are pro machines, I'm not sure why Apple didn't decide to update them. There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. 6 minutes on the Retina MacBook Pro, ba-boom, and 13 minutes on the MacBook Air. I shall see you guys in another life. Cheers!